Pioneer's Class FD GM-D8704 is one of my favorite new 4-channel amplifiers of 2019. What are some of the benefits of having a 4-channel amplifier? More power to your speakers instead of using the weak factory amplifier in your 98 Civic stereo. Plus, you can bridge the outputs to create 2 channels for 2 subwoofers. According to their manual, the GM-D8704 puts out 125 watts RMS by 4 channels at 1 ohm, 150 watts RMS by 4 channels at 2 ohms, 100 watts RMS by 4 channels at 4 ohms, and 300 watts RMS by 2 channels bridged at 4 ohms. The biggest change to this amplifier is aesthetics, with the new high-quality textured flat panel and tough frame. And this is a Class FD 4-channel amplifier, meaning low power consumption, efficiency, and a compact design. As always, let's test it out ourselves. We'll start off strong with 2 channels driven at 2 ohms, 14.4 volts. Pioneer rates this performance at 150 watts RMS per channel. And we picked up a very solid 195 watts RMS per channel, 17.4 volts on the oscilloscope. The next test was the same except with a single channel driven at 2 ohms. We got 205 watts RMS from the single channel, 17.7 volts. Then we went to 4 ohms, single channel driven, 14.4 volts. Pioneer rates this performance at 100 watts RMS. We picked up about 114 watts RMS, 19 volts. And our final test was 2 channels driven, 4 ohms, 14.4 volts, and we got 112 watts RMS, 18.5 volts. All in all, very impressive. This amplifier exceeded all specs as we thought it would. And for a 4-channel amplifier, this thing is very compact and will fit in most applications with dimensions of 10 3/8 inches in length, 2 3/8 inches in height, and 7 7/8 inches in width. In case you don't have an aftermarket head unit, Pioneer provides the amplifier with 2 speaker level to RCA harnesses to connect the stereo to the RCAs of the amplifier. Unless your stereo already has RCA outputs, then you won't need these harnesses. Use the amplifier's RCA outputs to connect other amplifiers for a bigger system. The amplifier's adjustments include control over the low pass and high pass filters of all channels in 2-channel or 4-channel mode. Use the included remote-based control, which has its own inputs, to make adjustments up front. To prevent circuit shutdown, Pioneer's new digital amplifier circuit protection control system senses its internal temperature and automatically moderates input level accordingly. Besides power and ground terminals, the amplifier has 8 channel A and B speaker outputs, as well as 2 30-amp fuses to help prevent damage with the LED power and protect indicator. We recommend 4-gauge power and ground leads, and 10 to 12 gauge for the speaker and subwoofer connections. Check out our amplifier installation kits, link in the bio. Be sure to go to qualitymobilevideo.com to get all of your car audio and video gear with us today. Links are in the bio. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and click that like button. But if you hated it, click the dislike button. Join the conversation below and subscribe to our channel if you're new. Thanks for watching.